Hi, I'm Noah, and I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader. Although Acrobat Reader comes pre-installed on most new computers, if for some reason you don't have it, it's very easy to get. To download Adobe Reader, simply open your web browser and head to get.adobe.com/reader. This is the official website of Adobe, the maker of Reader, so it's the best source for downloading the installation file. Just click on the download link on the bottom of the page. You might have to wait a few minutes since the file is 33.5 megabytes. Once the file is downloaded, simply locate the file wherever it might be, for example on your desktop, and then double click on it. Then just follow the simple steps to install the program and you're ready to go.